Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Stripe for Shopify. First, ensure you have an active Shopify store and a Stripe account ready to go. Log into your Shopify admin panel and find the Settings option, usually at the bottom left. From there, click on Payments to access your payment provider options. Then, select Add Payment Methods to start connecting Stripe. Once you're in the Payment Methods section, search for Stripe in the list of available third-party providers. Select it, and Shopify will redirect you to the Stripe website. Here, you'll need to log into your existing Stripe account or create a new one if you haven't already. Authorize the connection to allow Shopify to process payments through Stripe, linking your account seamlessly. After connecting, you'll return to Shopify to configure your Stripe settings. Choose which payment methods you want to accept, such as Visa, MasterCard, or Apple Pay. It's crucial to test your setup before going live. Enable Stripe's test mode in your Shopify payment settings. Then, use the provided test card numbers from Stripe's documentation to simulate a successful transaction, ensuring everything works as expected. Once you've successfully tested your payment gateway, remember to disable test mode in your Shopify settings. Your store is now ready to accept real payments from customers worldwide. You can monitor all transactions and manage your payouts directly through your Stripe dashboard. For more details and other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.